Frederick Winslow Taylor. Remember that name? I'm known as the father of scientific management. Why? Because I revolutionized the way we think about work. Before me, factories were completely confused or disordered manner. Workers relied on their own methods. This all changed with my approach.
Taylor was an engineer who applied logic and science to work. He saw inefficiency in factories and knew there had to be a better way. His solution? Scientific management. This system used observation and analysis to find the best way to perform a task.
My ideas were radical for my time. I challenged traditional ways of thinking. Some people resisted my ideas, seeing me as trying to turn workers into robots. But I believed my methods would benefit everyone. I thought they would increase productivity and wages. And I was right. My work laid the foundation for modern industrial engineering. My ideas spread rapidly throughout the industrialized world. They influenced everything from manufacturing to healthcare. Today, my principles continue to shape the way we work. My legacy is one of efficiency, standardization, and continuous improvement.
Taylor's impact on work culture is undeniable. Taylor meticulously studied every detail of the manufacturing process. He broke down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps.
Taylor's engineering background was essential to his success. He used tools like stopwatches and measuring tapes to collect data.
One of Taylor's most famous experiments involved shovels. He determined the optimal shovel size and shape for each material, leading to a significant increase in productivity.
Taylor's approach was revolutionary. He proved that maximizing efficiency wasn't about working harder, but about working smarter. His methods transformed factories from chaotic environments to well-oiled machines.
At the heart of Taylor's scientific management were three key principles: time study, motion study, and method study.
Time study involved carefully timing each step of a task to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement.
Motion study analyzed the movements of workers to eliminate unnecessary motions.
Method study focused on standardizing tasks to ensure consistency.
These principles work together to create a more efficient workplace. Time study eliminated wasted time. Motion study streamlined movements. Method study ensured consistency. Combined, these principles formed the foundation of Taylor's scientific management. Taylor believed in a fair day's pay for a fair day's work and developed a financial incentive plan known as the differential piece rate system.
Under my system, workers were paid a standard rate for a standard level of output. If a worker produced more, they received a higher rate for each additional unit.
This encouraged workers to strive for efficiency and increase their earnings. Taylor's incentive plan was designed to be a win-win. Workers earned more money for their hard work, and companies benefited from increased productivity.
However, the system wasn't without its critics. Some argued that Taylor's system created a race to the bottom, with workers pushing themselves to the limit for a few extra cents. Others argued that it created a divide between workers, fostering competition rather than cooperation.
Despite these criticisms, Taylor's incentive plan had a lasting impact on labor relations. It paved the way for modern performance-based pay systems.
My methods aimed to benefit both workers and management.
Taylor's scientific management had a profound impact on the industrial world.
My methods led to significant improvements in efficiency, productivity, and even worker safety.
By standardizing tasks and improving workplace organization, he helped reduce accidents and injuries. Taylor's focus on efficiency also led to better working conditions for many. With increased productivity came higher wages and shorter working hours.
Factories became less chaotic and more organized.
However, Taylor's work wasn't without its critics. Some argued that his methods dehumanized workers, turning them into mere cogs in a machine.
Others argued that Taylor's system gave too much power to managers, creating an imbalance in the worker-management relationship.
Despite these criticisms, Taylor's legacy is complex and multifaceted. His work forced businesses to think critically about efficiency and worker productivity. This focus on improvement continues to shape the way we work today. While some might argue that Taylorism is outdated, its influence can still be seen in the 21st century.
From fast food restaurants to software development, the principles of efficiency, standardization, and continuous improvement are still relevant.
Today's businesses use data analysis and process optimization techniques that would be familiar to Taylor. The quest for efficiency and productivity continues to drive innovation and shape the modern workplace.
Of course, the modern workplace is vastly different from the factories of Taylor's time. Workers are no longer seen as mere cogs in a machine.
However, Taylor's emphasis on efficiency, data-driven decision-making, and continuous improvement remains relevant.
By embracing innovation and striving for efficiency, we can continue to improve the way we work and live.